The Northeast Ohio Regional Library System, or NEO-RLS, is a partially state-funded membership organization that provides continuing education, professional development, technology support, consulting, and many other benefits and services to all of the academic, school, special, and public libraries in 22 counties of Ohio. We also offer membership opportunities to retirees, MLIS students, and individuals outside of our region, so no matter your situation, we have something to offer. Let's take a look at our vision, mission, and core values to give you an idea of what we're all about. Our vision: NEO-RLS is the catalyst for maximizing library potential. Our mission: NEO-RLS provides high-quality, high-value staff and organizational development opportunities and dynamic collaborative possibilities to the diverse Northeast Ohio library community. Our values: member-focused, proactive, inclusive, and collaborative. We have a strong commitment to diversity, equity, inclusion, and accessibility that we uphold through our continuing education offerings, curated DEIA resources on our website, our DEIA Strategies Committee, and more. Let's talk about some of our core services and offerings. At NEO-RLS, we provide a wide range of continuing education opportunities in a variety of formats, including webinars, which are hosted live, and some are recorded for our archived webinar library, and others are featured in our archived webinar bundles. Online workshops. Academies, which are months-long training opportunities that include webinars and in-person sessions to refine and develop your skills. In-person workshops and trainings, which include things like summer reading program prep, as well as special interest subjects such as genealogy, marketing, security, and safety. Full-day conferences, such as our Staff Day and Technology Conference, and topical full-day in-person workshops, such as Dynamic Dialogue. NEO-RLS members receive all these continuing education offerings at a discount or at no cost. NEO-RLS offers a variety of consulting services to our members. We strive to provide services that are cost-effective and customized to meet your individual library's needs. Our team brings not only years of combined experience, but also a passion for helping our libraries succeed. We offer consulting services for the following areas: strategic planning, board development, staff day planning, management coaching, leadership coaching, grant review, and team building. NEO-RLS Gold members receive 4 free hours of consulting each year. The NEO-RLS Jobline features a range of career opportunities in the library field from all over the United States. NEO-RLS Gold, Silver, and Bronze members receive unlimited free postings on the Jobline. Special interest network groups are informal discussion groups that meet virtually, in person, or hybrid throughout the year to discuss the challenges, ideas, and strategies around a specific topic of interest. The network groups are a wonderful opportunity to share ideas and resources, to explore trends and challenges, and to meet and support colleagues in the region. In addition to meeting virtually or in person, our network groups discuss and connect online through Discord. This platform provides the opportunity for the network groups to discuss topics, ask questions, and share resources asynchronously. NEO-RLS offers a variety of circulating technology kits that can be useful in numerous scenarios, including presenting a program for your library patrons, testing technology before purchasing it for your institution, and educating your staff about current technology. Current offerings include health literacy kits, virtual reality experiences, and STEAM e-kits that are customized for specific age groups. NEO-RLS members receive discounts on reservation fees for the circulating technology kits. NEO-RLS represents hundreds of libraries in Northeast Ohio and is able to negotiate discounts for our members with local, regional, and national vendors. We offer discounts on all types of materials for collection development, library supplies, furnishings and equipment, and an array of services related to your daily work. Many of our discounts are not duplicated by other organizations offering vendor discounts. Vendor discounts are available only to NEO-RLS Gold, Silver, and Bronze member libraries. Use the money saved through discounts to pay for your NEO-RLS membership and receive the extra bonus of free continuing education for all of your staff. With free or discounted continuing education, the ability to participate in network groups, access to members-only content and vendor discounts, a weekly newsletter, discounted consulting services and technology kits, and much more, we hope you will consider becoming an NEO-RLS member. The membership year runs from July 1st to June 30th. Dues may be prorated at any point in the year. Library memberships cover all employees of the library,